Hello, you are welcome to this channel, Research Plus. In this channel, I provide you with AI approaches to research analysis, interpretation, and reporting. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, and anytime I come up with new quality content video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you. Let's take our today's class, and God bless you. You are welcome to class today. In our today's tutorial lessons, we are considering linear regression analysis using SPSS. What is SPSS? SPSS is a statistical package for social sciences, and the topic we are considering is the role of digital technology in facilitating interreligious dialogue in Nigeria. Our independent variable, which is IV, is digital technology, and our dependent variable, which is DV, is interreligious dialogue. So we are going to see the model, the conceptual model for this analysis. So let's look at what the model for this analysis looks like. So let us look at the conceptual model for this analysis. Initially, we have one independent variable and one dependent variable. But because we want to check multiple linear regression, we have to bring other independent variable. So we added 3 independent variable to the existing one independent variable, which has made it 4. Then we also have the dependent variable. So in this module, we are going to raise data for these 5 variables, and we are now going to subject this data into SPSS analysis in order to see the effect. We'll find the coefficient effect that we show on the DV when IV is manipulated. So this is what we're going to check in this analysis. So let's sit back and don't skip any step of this video, so that you will not skip, so that you will not complain later that you are not understanding what I'm doing. So these are the 4 independent variable plus 1 dependent variable, making 5. So our hypothesis is raised on this variable, and we are going to test the hypothesis by the time we finish our analysis in SPSS. So feel comfortable as we continue this class. This is the interface of SPSS documents, and at this point I have already collected data from my respondents and I have coded them into SPSS. So what you are seeing is a data view of the application with my data entered. So what has actually happened is that each of my independent variable, I raise 10 Likert scale item to respond to check the effect of that particular independent variable on the DV. So we are having 50 question item to check independent variable. So you will now see that all the respondents responded to these 50 questions as you are seeing it from the screen. So let's see what is the next thing. We know that in SPSS, having collected your data, you have to clean the data and ensure that the data is clean for analysis. Otherwise, you will not run the analysis. So let's sit down and see how the analysis is being done. So like I said from the previous sections, that when we are to run data analysis in SPSS, we have to clean our data. So, and when we are to run analysis, we'll run this analysis in two sections. We have demographic data and we have other data that has to do with our variables. So, the first thing I'm going to do, I am going to run a demographic data analysis, and it is simply a descriptive analysis of my own data. So, how do we run it? You go to Analyze. From Analyze, you go to Descriptive. You go to Frequency Distribution. Here, you are going to see from this, you will move those variables you want to run their analysis. You can click on them all, highlight them all and move, or you move them one by one as you are seeing me doing. I move age, gender, I move age, I move religious affiliation, I move educational qualification, and I also move state location. So you can click this place to reset it and do it collectively by clicking all of the variable at once and click send. So from this place, you will see statistic. So in the statistic, what are you looking for? You look for the mean, you look for media, and you look for standard deviation. So you will now click continue and you click OK. Automatically, SPSS will run the analysis and show you the result. So immediately look at it from the screen. You will now see statistic, and in this data, we have 260 respondents, and in the valid section, you will see 260. In the missing value, we have not missed any value, nor any of the respondents did not respond. So